Hey, Meteorologist Pete Mangione here with an afternoon update. Tricky storm, that's for sure. The timing still looks the same. We're talking starting early tomorrow morning around the time of the commute and then lasting until tomorrow night around 7 p.m. Continued light snow overnight till Tuesday morning, but I think the bulk of the snow will fall from the 7 a.m. period Monday to the 7 a.m. period Tuesday, or the 7 p.m. period Monday, I should say. So basically Monday morning to Monday night. All right, here's a satellite picture. Notice our big ball of energy. This is the center of low pressure that will be tracking our way overnight through tomorrow morning. Now, our computer models, still a little bit of disagreement, but the majority of them are bringing it a little closer, which would suggest slightly higher snow totals. We still have the European model, which doesn't bring it quite as close and is not quite as aggressive with the snowfall totals, but just based on the energy of the system, it's going to grow pretty big. It's going to be a pretty huge ocean storm, and I think it'll grow with enough intensity to throw some moisture back our way and give us some pretty decent snow totals. And, of course, we've also been dealing with this trend all winter long of the computer models bringing storms further to the north than they initially think a few days out. So based on all this, here is my snowfall forecast as of the early to mid-afternoon. 4 to 7 inches for most of us, 6 to 9, say, from Alliant to Taunton, Fall River, New Bedford, and points to the east. You could get 1-foot amounts out there for sure. And, stay tuned for updates because there still is some uncertainty with this part of the Futurecast. These storms are very tricky when they kind of hug the coast. Sometimes the heavier bands of snow don't make it quite as far west as we anticipate. And, again, we do have a few computers still that think this won't be quite as much snow. But we're becoming confident just based on the dynamics of the storm and past trends to put up that 4 to 7 inch forecast. Stay tuned for changes. This is not set in stone. Tony Petrarca, he'll be in later this evening with updates both on the air and online. Have a good day.